Multiplex Group has come out with a loyalty app for farmers, dealers and retailers. Simple steps to follow for installing and start using SAMBRAMA. Download the app, select your category, farmer, dealer or retailer. If you are a farmer, enter your name and mobile number to get registered. If you are a dealer or retailer, enter your firm name, your name, mobile number and GST number if you have one. It is not mandatory. Now log in by entering OTP received on your mobile number. Now you are on the home page. Click on Claims, scan the QR code and get points. You can accumulate points and redeem them for attractive gifts listed in app like mobile phones, television, refrigerator, etc. SAMBRAMA Assured benefits and happiness.